Now this is MolaPlus Livestock Microbes, which are selected microorganisms, which are mainly yeast, protozoa, and beneficial bacteria. Those organisms which I've just said are what is in the stomach of a cow, and that is what is being emulated by this, so that the cow can digest better, because it will have a lot of those microorganisms. And like you have heard, those organisms are already in the rumen of a cow. So what you are doing, you are boosting. And you don't have to give microbes every day. You can give that every other day, because the organisms are living in the animal, they are also multiplying. Okay. Number 2, using technology which is available and very cheap, you can extend your microbes, so that the microbes that you bought for the first time, you can use it to make another lot of microbes. And if you come to me, I can tell you that how it is done.
Let me talk a bit about the use of MolaPlus Livestock Microbes in dairy farming. MolaPlus Livestock Microbes is a solution of microbes that are very beneficial in milk production, very beneficial in dairy farming, as well as beef farming. In dairy farming, MolaPlus Livestock assists the animal to first destroy the lignin, the hard stuff that is an anti-nutritive factor that locks up protein, energy, and mineral found in feeds. Whether they are post-harvest crop residues, whether they are grass that has overgrown, or whether they are in dairy meal. We utilize this product called MolaPlus Livestock Microbes in predigesting the dairy meal. What do we mean by predigesting the dairy meal? What we do with this MolaPlus Livestock Microbes is you take just a glass of MolaPlus Livestock Microbes, put it into 3 liters of water, and then take 4 kilos of dairy meal and mix it thoroughly inside there. And you bring the moisture content to about 30%. After you have done that, you cover your container tightly so that there's no air getting inside. If you do that, like the first day you do it on at around 6 in the evening, by tomorrow in the morning it will have fermented, and therefore you'll have acquired the first important role. You have caused that dairy meat to ferment before the cow takes it. And as I told you, before a cow utilizes feed, it has to ferment. After you have fermented using MolaPlus Livestock Microbes, what you have actually done is that you have put there trillions and trillions of microbes. These microbes are very important because they secrete a lot of sugars in that dairy meal. When they secrete a lot of sugars in that dairy meal will become richer than it was with those secreted sugars. It will chelate the minerals. It will break down the minerals and turn them into a simple state that is easily utilized by the animal. So you chelate the minerals, you chelate the calcium, the phosphorus, and the trace elements, and make them very readily available to the cow. And as a result, you'll find less of them passing through the system unutilized. They secrete a lot of enzymes. These enzymes and protozoas that are found within the microbe, that environment, are very beneficial to a cow, and they really assist in milk production. Apart from the enzymes and the vitamins, human beings are able to acquire vitamins from the feed that they take, but a cow obtains her vitamins from the microbes, from whatever the microbes secrete, particularly the B vitamins. And those are very beneficial for the cow and they show up in the cow's performance. After using it, you will see your cow turns very smooth. The skin is very smooth and very clean. Look at these cows as they are. They have very clean skin, very smooth, because of the vitamins and the enzymes that are secreted in the feed that they are taking through the microbes. Apart from that, because they multiply in trillions inside that dairy meal, and then in trillions more inside the rumen, they turn into what we call microbial protein. A cow which is functioning properly is able to secrete their own microbe to the tune of creating about pure microbial protein to the tune of 2.5 kilos of pure microbial protein on a daily basis. When you include the microbes in the feed of the cow, a cow is able to make her own pure microbial protein, which show up in the milk production. When you look at the luster of this cow, the skin, it is nicely, it's clean, it is sparkling, it is more or less like it is washed, and yet it is just because of the effects of the microorganisms that are included in the feed of this animal. These cows, because of microbe supplementation, they produce more milk. Because of supplementation of microbes, their cow dung is properly formed and they produce less cow dung. If you don't supplement with the microbes, you can get like a wheelbarrow per cow per week. But when you use MolaPlus Livestock Microbes, the cow dung output will drop almost to half a wheelbarrow. A sign of enhanced feed utility. A sign that the cow is utilizing the feed you are giving it better, and therefore there is less wastage. If you take the cow dung of these cows to the laboratory, you are likely to find less energy inside the cow dung. You are likely to find less protein, less minerals. You will find more of what has been extracted from. And that is why the cow dung output isn't as much. And therefore, if farmers don't pre-digest their dairy meal using MolaPlus Livestock Microbes, if they don't feed their cows on silage, they are actually wasting what they don't know. If they in the feed that they give to their animals. Africa falls mainly in the tropics. And in the tropics, aflatoxin is a big challenge, and they are found nearly in every feed. Most feeds are susceptible to aflatoxins and their effects. And therefore, to limit this and to help bring about the state of healthier and more